own, right?
Mhm.
And so I will kind of tell you like a cheat code that I've been doing is whenever I'm doing a build out for somebody, I'll actually go to Claude or ChatGPT or whatever. And I'll say, here's my brand guidelines. Here's how, like, here's my logo. Here's, what I want these different things to say. And then I have a PC, so I use the snip tool to snip the original email template. I'll paste that image um, into Claude or ChatGPT, and then I'll say, hey, convert this template into an HTML template. And that's a big word to kind of write down. It's a little scary, but convert this in my brand voice. So that way, when it creates it, it's this super nice looking template that is like your color scheme, has like how you would, say different things. And it will actually like make a very nice template that you can then add into the system. So then you can get rid of like like, the old
Generic.
version of it and then add your own. And now you have hey, here's my application link that's branded. It looks like you. It's got your logo. Like you got an awesome logo, right? Like take that logo, add it to like ChatGPT or Claude and say, I really want to work on my brand. I need these emails to match my color scheme. Here's my logo. And it will literally go, here's your brand guidelines. And it's like, okay, great. Now I want to take this email template and make it HTML with my brand. And it'll go, but, here you go. And then it's like, it's code, right?
So, so can we do